What actually happens when you start designing a perfume brand? At Anisha International, every project starts with a consultation, because great packaging isn't random. It's strategic. We begin by understanding exactly what you need. What kind of design you're looking for? What's your target price point? Are you going custom or using a standard bottle? And what kind of box fits your vision? Then we go deeper. We explore your market. Is it French, European, Oriental? What's your audience? What's their age range? And this is where our expertise comes in. We don't just take notes, we guide you. We help refine your direction and align your packaging with your brand identity. From there, we define your design direction and walk you through exactly how we're going to bring your packaging to life. If you're building a perfume brand, it starts with the right conversation. Book your free consultation with Anisha International.